Hi, and welcome to another one of our House of Science taster activities. This activity is out of our Super Sense kit. This kit looks at our senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. We're going to specifically do an activity based on our sense of touch. This activity is called Touch Me Too, as in two. For this, you're going to need a ruler, a blindfold. So in our kit we have nice blindfolds, the ones that you get in an aeroplane if you need to sleep, but just a tea towel will do. So you need a blindfold, you need a partner to do this with, and you're going to need a set of calipers. You know, it's like a compass but with just 2 points. If you don't have that, then a compass like this will work just fine. Now, just a note of caution, you are going to be touching someone with these 2 points. So make sure that you're very careful because one of them is rather sharp and we don't want to be damaging anyone and hurting them. The aim of this activity is to see how the receptors responsible for telling your brain that you're being touched are distributed over the surface of your body. Some parts of your body are a lot more sensitive than others, and those areas tend to have more touch receptors. This activity is going to identify those areas. One in your pair is going to be blindfolded, the other person is the scientist conducting the experiment. You're going to start with your calipers really close together, or your compass, 2 millimeters apart, so that's about that far apart, using your ruler. And when the person is blindfolded, you're going to test different parts of their body and see if they can pick up whether you're touching them with 1 point or 2. So let's say this is the hand of your blindfolded partner, and you're going to touch them maybe with 1 point and say 1 or 2, and they're going to go 1, and then you're going to touch them with 2 points, 1 or 2, and if they can't distinguish that you're touching them with 2, they'll say 1, and then you do it again, 1 or 2. So you do that several times on the one space. And then you widen the points a little bit. The next step is 5 millimeters, so half a centimeter apart. And test it again, 1 point or 2. Wait for their answer and record your results. Here's an example of a table you could use to record your results in. On the left we've got the parts of the body, and then you've got room to put a tick or a cross whether your blindfolded subject gets the answer right when you're touching them with 1 point or 2 points. And you can see along the top we've got a 2 millimeter gap with the calipers, 5 millimeters, 10 millimeters, 15 millimeters or 20 millimeters. And some body parts you could try are the cheek, the lip, fingertips, the palm of the hand, the back of the hand, the inner arm, the kneecap, behind the knee, and the sole of the foot. Now at 2 centimeters, all parts of your body are likely to be able to pick up that there are 2 points when you're touching it like this. So where there are lots of touch receptors, we can pick up that there are 2 points touching us at a very, very close distance. Where there are fewer receptors, the calipers need to be further apart for us to realize that there are 2 points touching us. So make sure you record your results accurately, and when you've tested your subject, you can swap places and they can test you. I hope you have a lot of fun. See you later.